I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to dye copper hair at home. First, select a copper shade that truly enhances your complexion. Next, ensure you have all your supplies ready, such as your chosen dye, protective gloves, and a cape to prevent stains. It's crucial to perform both a strand test and a patch test at least 48 hours beforehand to check for allergies and predict the final color result. Once prepared, section your dry, unwashed hair into 4 manageable parts for even application. Begin applying the copper dye from your roots, working your way down to the ends, ensuring full saturation. Always follow the specific processing time indicated on your dye kit, which usually ranges from 25 to 45 minutes, to achieve the best color. After processing, rinse your hair thoroughly with cool water until no more dye runs out. Next, apply a high-quality, color-safe conditioner, letting it sit for 3 to 5 minutes to lock in moisture and shine. To preserve your new copper shade, avoid shampooing for at least 24 to 48 hours, allowing the color to fully set. To keep your copper hair vibrant, always use sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners designed for color-treated hair. Minimize heat styling whenever possible, and always apply a heat protectant spray when you do. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check out the link in the description for Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals. Regular touch-ups every 4 to 6 weeks will help maintain your beautiful shade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.